Stock adjustment is used to manually increase or decrease stock quantities due to various reasons such as stock take discrepancies, damaged goods, or missing items. To get started, go to the Stock module and select Stock Adjustment. Click New to create a new stock adjustment entry. You can also enter a description to note the reason for the adjustment. Next, click Add Items to select the item or items you wish to adjust. Enter the adjusted quantity. Use a positive number to increase the stock. Use a negative number to reduce the stock. You can also adjust the item unit cost here if needed. Once completed, click Save and Preview to review the adjustment. Your stock adjustment report will be generated for your confirmation.